Hey guys, Ira here from Ira Studios. Today we're going to look at shot sizes and how to use them. Action! When you understand shot sizes, you'll be able to tell your story how you want to. You control shot composition, shot sizes, angles and perception. It's all about how you see the story and how you want the audience to see it as well. Together with camera angles, you'll be able to direct the viewer's attention as you please. Your goal should be to put your story and characters in context, to reveal the plot in a way that it makes an impact. Knowing what kind of shot sizes to use will help you when you start creating shot lists and storyboards, two important documents that you create in pre-production and that help you visualize your film before you even start filming. There are a few main shot sizes you should know when starting out. Basically, a shot size tells us how much we see in the frame. There are some variations on how shot sizes are named in different countries and even different productions. On TV stations, they name them differently too. But the ones that I like to use will be revealed to you very quickly. Everybody on the film set has to be familiar with shot sizes because they tell each sector what will be seen. Production design has to do design and dress up the whole building if the wide shot is used, and if it is a close-up, they only need a curtain in the background or a window. It is important for the sound team so they can know how close they can go with their microphones. But it is most important for camera crew and the director, because that is their main language of communication, together with light and colors. Now, let's start with actual shot sizes. Extreme wide shot or extreme long shot is important to show the location and where the story is taking place. It is a landscape shot. There is no need to see the character in this shot, but if we do, it is very tiny and it can feel overwhelming for the character to be there, especially if we are showing the desert, underwater world or outer space. In a wide or long shot, we will be able to see the character in a specific environment. Still, the character or an object will look small, but we will be able to see it, not like in an extreme wide shot, where character is only a small dot. In this shot, location is still more important than the character. Full shot's main focus is now on the character, seen from head to toes. We can observe what they are doing and not yet how they are feeling. Because the shot is still wide, we can easily fit in multiple characters. Americana or Cowboy Shot became widely popular in the era of westerns, where they wanted to show the cowboy and the guns in the holsters. It frames the characters from approximately mid-thighs up. We can still see the environment clearly. Medium shot shows the character from the waist up. We are closer now and focused on a character, observing more details. Medium shots are often used for dialogue scenes, because now we can properly see character's body language. Medium close-up is framed from the chest up. There is distance present between the viewer and the character, but we can see facial gestures and emotions. Close-up is framed from the bottom of the character's neck, revealing the face. We can also cut out a bit of character's head. We are so close now that the emotions and reactions are very visible. We can now notice eye movements. At this point, we almost can't recognize the environment where the character is, and this helps us to focus solely on the character. This shot size is very intimate and we can feel what the character is feeling. You can use it when you want to present an important moment. Extreme close-up is rarely used in traditional dialogue scenes involving characters, but when it is, it's to show the mouth, eyes, fingers or foot. It highlights facial expressions more than the close-up. It is more intimate and can be uncomfortably close, especially if you watch a film on a huge screen. It is used to show the most intense emotions. The whole frame is filled with it and you can't see any environment. Detail shot is like extreme close-up but without the human body, mainly used to place an emphasis on a specific object or element, with little to no visual of the surrounding environment. The detail shot allows us to focus the audience attention solely on the specific object or element featured in that shot. Some filmmakers don't name this shot that way and just call it extreme close-up, but I like to quickly see when I check my shot list that I am filming an object and not a character. We're going to finish this lesson with a shot that is not necessarily defined by its size, but it is important for a filmmaker to know. Every scene usually starts with an establishing shot. It shows us the location where it is happening. It can be a shot of an old castle, a sign in front of the city with skyscrapers in the background, traffic jam, dark forests, and so on. Mainly, it is extreme wide shot or wide shot and can be shown with aerial shots filmed with drones. You can also have a series of tight establishing shots, showing details of a location. For example, in a restaurant, you can show that with a pan frying food, sauces being made, water cleaning plates, and so on. Now, it's up to you to put this new knowledge to use. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and happy filming!